Today, I'll show you how to send an email in Honeybook. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just trying to stay on top of client communications, sending emails directly from Honeybook can streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open your project. Begin by navigating to the project's pipeline within your Honeybook dashboard. This area is designed to help you manage all your ongoing projects efficiently. In this list, you should locate the specific client you need to email. This might be a current project you're actively working on, or perhaps a client you need to follow up with. Simply click on the project to open it up. Once you've opened the project, you'll notice several tabs available to help you manage different aspects of your client interaction. For sending an email, you'll want to click on the Activity tab. This tab is particularly useful because it displays your entire communication history with the client. Seeing previous interactions can provide context, ensuring you're fully informed on what's been discussed and any actions that need to be taken. This step helps you maintain a consistent and professional communication flow, as you can easily reference past emails or details from your previous conversations. Now it's time to compose your email. Within the Activity tab, you'll find fields labeled Reply to or Send to near your communication history. Click on one of these fields and it will open the Email Composer. This is your workspace to craft the message you want to send. Here, you can enter the subject of your email and in the main body, type out your message. Remember to be clear and concise in your communication. If there are any attachments or specific details you need to include, make sure to add those before sending. Once you've composed your message, take a moment to review it. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors and ensure that all necessary information is included. This is also a good time to double check that you're sending it to the correct recipient, especially if working with multiple contacts within the same project. After you've reviewed your email and are satisfied with its content, go ahead and click Send. Your message will be delivered directly to your client and it will automatically be logged in the Activity tab, keeping your communication history up to date. And that's it. Sending an email in Honeybook is a simple yet powerful way to keep your project communications organized and efficient. By utilizing the project's pipeline and the Activity tab, you ensure all your client interactions are easily accessible and well documented. This not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances your professionalism and reliability in the eyes of your clients. I hope this guide has been helpful. Now you can confidently manage your client communications directly from Honeybook, saving you time and keeping everything neatly in one place. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.